Let's look at how you can set a repeating task against a client or a property. Whether you're on a client or a property record, you'll use the Actions option and then select Create Task. You'll then choose the type of task you want. We'll select a phone call and we'll pick the first date we want this phone call to happen, which will be next week on the 18th. Now the next section under the date says repeat this task how often. Now if it says 0, which is the default, it means that it's a one-off call, it will not repeat, and it will happen on the 18th of the 2nd. However, if you would like this call to repeat every 1 week, every 1 month, every 1 year, you simply add into here 1, and this is repeating every 1 day. So you will call them on the 18th, 19th, 20th. However, you can change this to weeks, months, or years, and you can enter any number you wish into this particular field. So if we said every 3 months, starting from the 18th, we are going to call this client to catch up with them. We're just going to put in here buyer 3-month catch up. Now that we've added the task notes, we have this repeating for 3 months forever. This means that the call will last forever until we either decide to stop calling them or they ask us to stop calling them. If you do not want it to last forever, you can set a certain amount of times this task repeats. So if this is only 1, it will happen on the 18th of the 2nd, and then it will happen on the 18th of the 5th, and it will only do this once, and then it will stop that repeating. If I want this to happen 10 times, I can up the limit to 10 times, so that now I will follow this client up every 3 months over 30 months. We can then hit the Add Task option once you have set all the settings up above. This will then create the task against your client where we can see it's repeat every 3 months 10 times. When the task is completed, when you finished it on your first due date, it will automatically book in the next one, and the task will automatically book in the next one if this due date passes as well.